this pattern is going to be a hand-to-hand toss across, kind of like a flip-flop. It's a toss across, and you're going to do this a couple different ways. But we're going to give you two different angles. Now it goes around the floor a little bit, all right? So we're going from hand to hand, so that means like this hand, and then we're going to switch hand right to right, like a handshake position, but I'm the one that's going to catch her, okay? So ladies, just kind of stay flat. You're going to see Monica do this. So we're going to take it from this angle, and then we'll go around, and then we'll show you another angle starting there. Cool? Here we go. Start with a little twinkle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Now you see how I went from this hand to turn, I go from this hand. Pretty simple, right? And then, as she rotates, I delay, catch with the same hand on the other side, and I do the same over here. And then I go back, and then I close it up. Yes? So you can repeat either one over and over, or just alternate. It's totally up to you. Cool? So let's try from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Okay, so you can see how that works around the floor. Take your time, slow it up, pause it, rewind, whatever you need to do to kind of soak this up and learn at your pace. Work on it together or watch it separately, it does not matter, as long as you do it and repeat. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. So come on back, and I'll see you back for the next pattern.